Hey there, I'm reviewing the Nair Hair Remover Wax Ready Strips, a convenient and mess-free solution for smooth skin. With no need for warming or heating, these strips are ready to use right out of the box, making them perfect for quick touch-ups on legs and body. The strips adhere well to the skin and remove hair effectively from the root, leaving skin smooth for weeks. They work great on both fine and coarse hair and do not leave behind a sticky residue. The included post-wax wipes help soothe and moisturize the skin after use. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to remove hair at home without the hassle of hot wax, these strips are a great choice. Highly recommend for those who want smooth, long-lasting results with minimal effort.